In this video, we will go over how to fill out the civil cover sheet. This is usually filed together with a complaint, with the initial appearance fee disclosure and the summons. You will need the civil cover sheet with every complaint. And section 1 will be party information. On the left side of the form, you will add plaintiff's name. Do not include plaintiff's address or phone number, as you will add plaintiff's attorney's information on the bottom line here. And you will add plaintiff's attorney's name, address, phone number. On the top right side of the form, you will add defendants' names. And do not add defendant's address or phone number. Section 2 will be the civil case filing type. Check the box for the type of filing you're doing. I have selected here negligence auto in this form, as this is for a basic automobile claim, as in this example. As you can see, there are many types of there are many civil case types. So if you had medical malpractice, you will check this box here. If you had, for example, any other type of negligence, if someone slipped, a slip and fall, you will check this premises liability. Okay, and this is basically self-explanatory. And that's it for this form. It's very short, dated, and include attorney's name in the signature line. Thank you for watching. The next video will be the initial appearance fee disclosure.